Darren, how we end up winning the two World Cups. And everything would stop. So right now, all the bowlers might make a mistake.
Lanka just trying to...
Just right in the bounce. No, West Indies.
Oh, that very nicely pulled away by Lanka when you're running at pace as well.
And if you look at the inning, you try to vicinity. Just hold up.
Well, that's it. Just quietly, Sri Lanka.
Check that score. It's 165, but Sri Lanka would want more than that.
Absolutely. Pulled away again, short arm jab.
At 24 of 15. He's such a special player, Sri Lanka. This was very smart. Height as well, and then a glorious cover at 160. It's been a good start. 85 for no loss. Most runs in this ICC. They went for a few in the first over. Coming in with the arm.
Really bowling to a left-hander. West Indies knew they needed wickets early. Should just be so far. Really, really good proactive batting on a very good start.
They're trying to play into out quick, as you said. Anything coming in is going to go very fine.
I think his side are making good progress.
Isn't it? Switch hit. Does it go all the way? He just shot a boundary. Limping, and out. Starts off with the slow one.
Wants to, should get to the off cutter. Goes to his variation straight away. Very hard to pick up Dwayne Bravo because he's got a very...
And a man at point, and that's what happens.
White square on. Yeah, actually just in front. Slide to his right. Or this is his skill set, you would call it. Connolly to left-hand batter, 7.84.
Dived over it.
It's pretty much spot on, but when you've got third in the ring, you always run the risk. It's just a little bit too wide. I think Ravi Ram, Bravo not happy, and rightly so. Yeah, very good. Put the foot down here. Accelerating at the run. This has been an excellent innings thus far. Partnership's excellent as inside the ring at short third.
Tucks it away, but it's 101 for 1.